Custom BMW M4 pickup. When factory won't build it, someone else will for decades. BMW has toyed with pickup concepts. From a factory workhorse E30 M3 in 1986 to a 2019 X7-based experiment. But the company has never committed to building a high-performance ute for public sale. That's where the aftermarket steps in. The Dinman M4 Malu, a custom build unveiled at SEMA in 2022, takes the already potent BMW M4 competition and transforms it into a low-slung pickup. It's a radical departure from the sleek coupe form and currently listed for $145,000, more than double the price of a new M4. Why does this matter? The existence of this vehicle highlights a growing trend in automotive modification. Demand for unique, high-performance builds that automakers won't create. While BMW tests the waters with concept pickups, enthusiasts are taking matters into their own hands. This raises questions about the future of custom car culture and whether manufacturers will eventually cater to niche, but passionate, audiences. What was done? The M4 Malu isn't just a cosmetic hack job. The roof has been cleanly cut away, creating a surprisingly spacious pickup bed. The exterior features a customized Dinman front lip, louvered fenders, and matte black HRE wheels. Under the hood, the engine has been significantly upgraded. Wagner tuning, carbon fiber intake, manifold upgraded turbochargers, GT House, exhaust system, E85 compatibility, with a matching ECU tune, while exact horsepower figures are undisclosed. The modifications suggest a substantial power increase. The car is currently listed with 7,500 miles on the odometer. Is it worth the price? For most buyers, the $145,000 price tag is excessive. But for someone seeking an exceptionally rare and aggressively styled vehicle, it might be a worthwhile investment. The M4 Malu isn't just a pickup. It's a statement, a testament to what happens when imagination meets engineering. This build proves that even the most refined performance cars can be reimagined in unexpected ways. The market for unique, high-end modifications is strong, and builders like Dinman are filling the gap where traditional manufacturers hesitate. The M4 Malu embodies the spirit of automotive individuality, showing that some enthusiasts will pay a premium for something truly one of a kind.